The definition of leadership is the action of leading a group of people or an organization. Martin Luther King Jr. once said, "A genuine leader is not a searcher for consensus, but a molder for consensus." Question 1 is, do you consider yourself a follower or a leader? Why or why not?
In most scenarios, I like to be the leader, but if someone else wants to be it, I'm down to be a follower.
I consider myself a leader because I don't really I wouldn't say that I don't follow other people, but I would say that it's not that I'll blindly follow someone. I'll probably think about it and maybe try and lead other people out of negative things, lead people out of negative things and into positive things.
I consider myself as a leader. I like to make my own choices and make my own decisions.
I consider myself a leader because I kind of give good leadership skills, giving feedback, helping others, and just being a supportive person.
Follower, because I usually follow what people say.
Myself as a leader because I love helping others in my group reach a certain goal, and that's basically why I like being a leader.
Question 2. What do you think is the hardest part of being a good leader?
Setting an example for others and guiding them to the point where they need to.
Maybe the hardest part about being a leader is making sure everyone, let's say, is on topic during a group and everyone is committed to the task and no one's off topic, no one is never doesn't care about it. So really the hardest part of being a leader is that you're making sure everyone in your group wants to do the task.
The hardest part about being a leader is trying to effectively lead, I'd say, because some people might think differently and have different ideas on the topic or what you're trying to do, so it's just kind of hard to have everyone agree on it, and yeah.
I'd say taking the blame if something happens.
Getting for everyone to do the thing you want them to do.
I'd probably say organizing in a group. So it's hard to see what everyone wants. So guess that.
And question 3. What are some of the challenges that leaders face?
Staying motivated because they're people too.
Trying to figure out the best solution that everyone can do, or getting people to communicate, and I guess in general, trying to fix problems within the group.
It would be if something's not done right, you have to be helpful to do help others and stuff.
Some challenges leaders face is some dilemmas, such as maybe this is something you have to do in a topic, maybe we don't have enough people for this, but the most important thing about being a leader is letting this stuff hit you, but you always get back up and you always work in order to get to the final goal.
I think if you have a group and you're the leader, it's hard to keep them together and to keep them in line.
Some challenges are trying to get everyone involved and trying to get everyone's opinion, trying to have everyone kind of on the same page and make sure everyone's okay with it.
And question 4. What does a good leader do when they make a mistake?
They push through it, or they think about how they could have handled it better, or they they could talk to like the people that they're leading.
Everybody can be a leader. How you can be a leader: being a role model, showing positive character, listening to others, or doing something as simple as washing your hands and wearing your mask. Where you can be a leader: Boy Scouts, groups in your church, volunteering, or joining a leadership group like the Mayor's Youth Leaders in Action.
A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. John C. Maxwell.